Hi guys, the spring is coming, so I decided that I will do a daffodil for you. I start with placing 3 rays for 3 petals and painting these 3 petals one with one stroke. I'm using Sally Ann's paint and painting on Sally Ann Lynch's board. So I'm painting 3 equal petals looking in 3 different directions, and then I'm adding 3 more in between. The one at the back doesn't have to be there, but it depends on the placement of the middle part of the flower. So I'm taking a bit darker color later and painting the middle. Stem and the middle of the flower should go in the same direction, so I first put the line away from the flower and then only down. Next is time for the leaves. And while I remember, I would like also to invite you to the group One Stroke Beauty, where you can see lots of one-stroke designs, not only by me but by other amazing artists, some video tutorials. And also I have placed at the top of this group in announcements the artists that are painting in one-stroke technique, and then you're free to add add your options, the artists that inspire you in one stroke, or vote on those whom you already like and they're already here. And this is kind of a chart of inspiration for you. If you're looking for some inspiration, you can always look through this artist and be inspired. So I'll put the link to this group in the description, so you can go and join it from there. Coming back to our daffodil, I'm finishing off with painting leaves, and then I'm starting outline everything with a liner brush. I normally outline in both light and dark color to add a bit of more dimension and to make it pop out, but this is my own kind of technique, my own vision. You can do whatever you want now. You can add some swirls, teardrops, dots, whatever you would like to, and of course if I would be painting it on the face, I would add lots of glitter around it and whatever else you would like to. If I inspired you and you are going to paint this daffodil, I would love to see it, and you can hashtag me Ulianka Arty, or you can tag me as Ulianka Maksimuk on Facebook. I'll put all the links down below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Please do subscribe and press the bell button so you would receive the latest videos as soon as they come out. I'm also on Instagram, where I put so much more pictures. I don't do video on every of my picture, but I do post a lot on Instagram, and if you find Ulianka Arty there, you can follow me there as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.